Okay, let's jump into this. We're going to look at two ways to set up your Symbaloo page as your main home page. So when your students first open up the internet, a lot of times they just come to a main search page or to some other page, and then you have to go through the task of having them type in a URL. And that takes quite some time. So what we want to do is make this so that when a student logs in, the first thing they see when they open up an internet browser is our Symbaloo page. So the hardest part is having them type in the first URL, and then this should be the last URL they had to type in. So for Limestone County Schools Symbaloo, it's lcsk12.symbaloo.com. And so we start there with having the students type that in. Once they type that in the address bar, have them click enter or return. And now here is the Limestone County Symbaloo page. Okay, you can see we have each one of our schools in alphabetical order across this top line here. And then different tiles will take you to different places. This takes you to the Moodle page, Spell City, Go Math, Odyssey. This is the Dance Mat Typing, um, Alabama Virtual Library, the Athens Limestone Public Library, Khan Academy, the State Department website. Over here in the bottom is the Limestone County School website. Um, Lots of different things can be added to this. This is what we have right now. So now we want to set this as our home page, which means anytime the kid opens up Google Chrome on their computer, it will automatically come to this page and not to any other page. Okay, so all we need to do, and this is using a MacBook, which is what our students are using, the kids are going to bring their cursor way up here to reveal the menu bar. They're going to click on the word Chrome, then they'll click on the word Preferences, and then they're going to come right here where it says Set Pages. Set Pages. And they're going to click Use Current Pages. And we want to, if there's anything else in here, we want to get rid of those pages. So we only want the Symbaloo page on there, and you do that by clicking Use Current Pages. Once you see that that Symbaloo page is up, click OK. And now, when you close out, and the kids know this as Command Q, when you Command Q, automatically the only thing or the first thing that will come up that you will see will be this. So let's demonstrate it using Safari now. All right, so in Safari, again, the same thing. We'll do lcsk12.symbaloo.com. And then once the students have that typed in, click enter. All right, so again, here we have the Symbaloo page. This time we're going to go up to the menu bar, and instead of clicking on Chrome, we're going to click on Safari. We'll click on Preferences again, and we're going to make sure it's on General. Right here, see how this says that the home page is going to be an Apple startup page? We don't want it to say that anymore. We want to click Set to Current Page, and notice now it has our lcsk12.symbaloo in there. Now for that to open up as our main page every single time, we're going to come here where it says New Windows Open With, and we're going to change that from Top Sites to Home Page. Okay, so a Set to Current Page should have our URL to the LCSK12, and this right here should be changed from Top Sites to Home Page. So now that we have that done, I'm going to do like the kids do, and I'm going to Command Q, and now I'm going to click on Safari, and let's see what happens this time. And voila, it automatically goes. This will do the same thing in Google. However, I can't close it out, Command Q, and start it back up because we're recording using Google, but it will do the same thing. And so as you can see, this will help your kids. They'll be able to just go straight to whatever link it is you're wanting them to use. If you want them to go to Moodle, they know to click here. If you want them to go to Spell City, they know to click here, or to go Math or Odyssey or Wonders. It's all right here for them. If you want them to go to your particular school, they just click, for instance, we're Elkmont. So they continue, they just click on Elkmont. And here's our Elkmont page with our wonderful third grade teachers and fourth grade teachers and various links that they want as well. So I hope that helped answer some of your questions regarding using or how to set Symbaloo as your student's home page so that it's just easy clicking and they don't have to click 5 or 6 times to get to the link that you want them to be at. All right, if you have any questions, you know where to find me, and I'll be more than happy to assist. Thank you.